Hey, ata morena ma whānau. We are on day 2 of the Tainui Secondary Kapa Haka Regionals. Me and the bro just getting ready. Jumping in the van. And we out there. Apparently today's supposed to be a bit of a bigger day for the stores and that, so easy mahi cuz. Got my litonga from yesterday. Hey. Oh, Dan's making some funny noises. Well, let's just get there first, eh? Behind the scenes of content. Alright, whānau, we're all set up, pitakak. Still pumping. Got our rongoa next to us. Hey, kia ora. Come down, whānau, come down. Hey, don't forget to vote.
Alright, come and involve with us today, whānau.
Alright, kia ora. Kia ora. Got all our kai and that over here too. We have a look around the corner. Oh, yep. Typical. Bro doing absolutely nothing. Yeah, look at him there. Yeah, that's his natural stature right there. Just sitting down. Bro, he's just typical way. He's just way over there grinding, bro. And look, the bro just sitting there. Oh, we got soil and sand over here. I don't know how they did it, but they got front center to the screen. We have to watch from the corner. But hey, just going around. Here you got some more. Kia ora, kia ora. We got tribal roots over here. My sister. Morena. We on. Morena bala. Kia ora bala. Morongoa. Oh, beautiful. Wow. Morena. Hey?
Getting the content.
Yeah. Just showing everyone around. Hey, showing everyone what they're missing around the motu. We've got all the kayan that's over there. It's on. Got our sisters over here. Some more rongoa stuff over here. Ahu boutique next to us. We've got the Kazi tea. We've got all the iwas over here.
Well, be great.
Yeah, that's me. Most of the stores here. And then all the kai. Oh, there's more kai outside. And then kai down the end here. But beautiful day. We on. Alright, whānau. We've got the fires here again. Kia ora. Morena.
Wait, let me retake it.
Oh yeah. There's all these retakes, I don't know. Let's go. I'm gonna put it all in.
Just edit it out. Ready? 3, 2, 1, action! Morena!
Yeah, that's sacked.
Yeah, that was your time. 3, 2, 1. Morena tātou, nau mai ki te rātua rua o te mokopuna rua mano rua tika marima. We are here at Claudeland and yeah, come check it out.
Yeah. Come ask for a special over there. Just ask for the out of these 2 fires and they'll hook you up.
This is let me promote your business while I'm at it.
Oh yeah.
Ko Allies tēnei.
Alright.
If you ever around, just pop up. Hit them up on their website, they got you.
Yeah.
I just ask for koro.
Yeah, there's the koro over there. Look.
Oh, ka ko te mawhara ka tērā.
Ka koro tērā. Look, koro, kia ora.
Kore.
Uits.
Oh, I can koro ia.
Oh. That's my one. Oh, yeah. Alright, whānau. So the doors are open. The first group should be on soon. Yeah. Let the crowds roll in. They got the first group on for the day. Meki. Kia ora, kia ora. So 50 for anything on this table, my bro. And then all our potai are the same.
Did we get one of these?
Yep, cup white. On card? Card or cash? Oh yeah, cup white. Here, bro. Give you a bit of a bag to put it in too. Kia ora. Kia ora, kia ora. Tēnā koe. Ai. Kia ora, kia ora. So 50 for all our stuff on here. Say less, you reckon?
Place this on. I'm looking for a wallet for my mum, but I didn't make sure she she's specific with the inside.
Oh, yeah.
I think 52.
Yep, alright. Yeah, we run specials when we do like stores like this.
It's my mum's birthday in 2 days.
Oh, say less. Oh, he's got the same mum or different mum? Oh, yep, there you go. Need 2 different gifts.
Do you have payways?
Alright. We've got Afterpay too if you
I'll get this.
if you want that route. Yep, upright.
Oh yeah, that's you.
Oh, there you go, my bros. I got you a case like this too if you get the wallet. Hey. You can put all your other funny substances in there if you want.
These ones are
Can't wait. Did you want your receipt?
No, that's fine. Thank you.
Can't wait, mihi.
That's pretty. My mum.
Oh, those 2? Did you try the hat on? Whose hat? Because we got 2 sizes.
No, well, I don't know. Usually I think I have a fit head.
Oh, that's all right. Because if these are, so these are our big ones, but then you also got this thing inside. So all you do is pull that, and that whole lining comes in. Then you just tie it up like a shoelace.
Oh, that's so cool.
Yeah. So if if these ones are too big, but those are too small, you can sort of get the big one and just tighten it up. Yeah, have it to 2.
Everything properly down. I've got a bun in my head. It's not sitting properly.
Oh, yes. It's up to you.
No, I'll go with the small.
Yeah. Can't wait. Kia ora, sis. 50 for our peki, alright. Chuck 'em in here. Oh, you gotta use it straight away.
Pretty good.
Yeah? Or you just wanna chuck that in somewhere. Yeah. Yeah. People like to use them for like their pounamus and stuff when they travel.
That's actually
Yeah. Yeah, chuck it straight in there. Yeah, ngā mihi. Kia ora waras. Are you my bro? 50 my cuz for all our everything on here. Oh, Mickey my bro. Mickey. Oh, true. Yeah, heaps of people were saying that. I was like, and they're the ones that live here. They're like, oh, we didn't even know this was on. Ow. Oh, yeah. For like living? Oh, yeah. Oh, true. Yeah, cuz. Yeah. Yeah. Mickey to meet you, my brothers. What was your name? Ents. My brother. Oh, bro, they just done the bro dirty. Did you see that? The bro forgot to go down and go up in the lobby like this. But they got him going, fuck. Oh. Kia ora.
Yeah, that's the one. Do you have the brown ones?
Oh, this is all we got here.
This blanket goes with everything.
And I might wear the cow skin one with the tassels. Are you like that's what your sister was? She'll never send you it. She's tattoos.
Just that one?
Am I allowed to take it now?
Yeah, definitely.
Do you know how many campaigns I've been waiting to buy one of these?
Oh, true.
Yeah, and then every time I go to buy one offline.
Yep. Yeah, they're pretty fast online.
Yeah.
Most of, especially our coloured ones, they go really quick.
I like the dark turquoise.
Did you want your receipts, sis? Can't buy.
It's already better than it's already ready.
Rubbish. Yep. Enjoy.
I went to bed when I went to my daughter. I manifested that one of my daughters would buy me one.
Yeah, that's the one.
No, I had to ask one.
Yeah. I had to manifest and ask.
Yeah, and then as soon as she saw her older sister,
Yep.
she asked her instead. I want to buy it all on my own. What's your story? What do I know?
That's a good one.
Lucky the rest of my kids aren't here. I would have done the same.
Hey, we would have went through the whole line. You would have had a whole. Yeah. Love you, mum, you reckon, eh?
We're all about the total.
Yep, that's the one. Alright, ngā mihi, have a good day, eh? Enjoy the hakas.
All about it.
Someone got played in this situation, eh?
Yeah, we planned it for, because so they're sisters. One of them come with their mum and bought her, yeah, kapai. One of them come with their mum and bought her this one. They were supposed to get halves on a gift. So they got one, yeah, kapai. Yeah, I'm gonna give my daughter to see if she can give me the other one. And I was like, yeah, let's hustle her. She goes, yeah, I'll say I didn't get one, or I got gifted this one, and you're doing her a mean deal on this one, because I want this one too. I was like, yep. But I thought they were like, yeah, whatever. But as soon as I see them, well, watch this. Straight away, she's like, oh, do I have to get this one? And then just as she bought it, She goes, oh, yep, now I got 2. She goes, oh, fuck. I was like, fuck. Played. That's why she goes, yeah, give me 1. I want to wear 1 at least. Hustled, bro. Hustled. Rako manga. And now. They're having lunch break now. First lunch break, and they got a band playing over there on the other side of the machine. Very on. Oh, everyone's rolling through now. Whānau. Hey! Hey, papai. Yeah, long time. Hey, yes we do. Yeah, funny. We're hitting about 3:30 in the afternoon. We've been going hard. And the bro's been getting called matua all day. Ciao, brothers. This mata usi, eh? This guy, bro. He's been angry because everyone's been calling him matua. They'll be calling me the cuz he bro. Cuz he beat us. The beat us. Brother Bopper is what they call me. Hey, Uncle Matsua is everybody. Yeah, that's them. Oh, look out for these fellas, Whānau. These are more Texicans. Yeah. Watch out for this fella, Whānau. Yeah, dodgy fella over there. Alright. There's another mean little poop. I think it's Aotearoa, they were saying. It's a king. Watch out for this fella, Whānau. Dodgy fella over here.
Well, where's the freebies?
Can you hear me? Kia ora. Can you hear me? Oh, straight up? Oh yeah, you can carry on then. Anyways, is it recording? Yeah. Can you like bring the camera closer so I can see? Yeah.
I'm supposed to see.
Oh.
What do you need to see for?
So I can see what I look like. No. Okay. Anyways. My man's hot. No. Kia ora, ko hui a tōku ingoa.
Kia ora, ko te toki ingoa.
He kaimahi tawa ki Māori by Design. Ai. E tēnei rā.
I don't know how to speak Māori.
It's okay. You gonna edit that out?
Yeah, edit that out. Please.
No.
Please, koro. Edit that out, please, koro.
Anyways. Let me just put that away. Kawaii, show the back. Oh, yeah, ready? Ready, 3, 2, 1. Oh. Anyways, can we do this professionally? Ready? Yeah. Walk with me now. Okay.
Tell us what you got. Start
from the start. So, ke konei, he taiaha, he teko. Ai, toi tiriti, oh. E ke kone o mātou scarves, me o mātou beanies, ia, anō, he tai whakairo, he, tai, he tanga tamariki, he hake ki konei, tiratanga, te whakaputanga, he, wati, ke konei tō mātou, rerehua display, anei, o mātou, bone, anei ngā MBDs,
MBD?
o mātou medals. Kei konei tō mātou tino range. Me kei konei he miki rapu o te whalebone me te pounamu.
Check out allies. Pretty mean. Go ask for koro. And
Yeah, that's alright.
matua.
Koro.
Yeah, koro. Okay. Ka kite.